Can't see that one guy. Oh, I'm surprised I got him. Make sure I ain't missed nothing. I probably did. See what we got. Nothing but just trash and shit. Oh man, not this part.
Look, there's a gate here.
Yes, I can see that idiot. But that's not my concern right now. Good. Stop being stubborn, guy. Whoa, don't get smart. Oh, come on. What the? Oh, come on. Bullshit. God, Tommy being fucking stubborn and shit. Die. God damn. Okay, I'm gonna get. Hold on, let me see. Let me see where they coming from. Hold on, I'm gonna get this bitch on here right quick. Or your bitch work. Work for me. You better take that red herb. Okay, are they coming from over here? Oh, up there. Okay. I guess I'll just stay right here. Jump down. Nice swimming pool you got there. Hurry up and jump down. Come on, idiot. Let's go. Oh, never mind. It's 3 more. Wait. Count these 2 right here. I forgot all about these guys right here.
Follow me.
Didn't expect them to go down like that. Nothing. We're in a dog kennel, but where the dogs at? Don't tell me I killed them all. Yep, no dogs. I guess there ain't no more. I guess Salazar's stupid enough to let them roam free in a fucking garden in that maze. Oh, come on, I shot that. Give me your money. Don't know why I was cut off in the first place. Shouldn't have been.
Leave it to me, Leon.
You do it so I won't have to. When I first came to this area, man, I ain't even bothered to look right, man. I just went straight up left. Oh. Well, now I finally buy that armor off of him. And I can save.
Welcome. What are you buying? Is it? Thank you. What are you buying? What are you selling? Is that all? Thank you. Come back anytime.